Hey, and welcome back to Willis Talk. Check this out. Oh yeah, well that's not exactly what you're going to be seeing here in a moment. What you're going to be seeing here in a moment is what can be done with something like this. Proof that an old car, no matter what, still has got some life in her. Yeah, putting it on an old bed, taking it. It's finally getting a little TLC. And then it got cleaned up more. Cleaned up. Oh, look at all that. But that's just a little rust. Check it out. Just a teeny bit rust. Redone. Oh, look at that. Look at that door now. Ooh. Don't that make you wanna just go, yeah? But this is what it really looks like now. Ford. And it's a beauty. Check it out.
He's got a, I think it's a 49 Ford stuff. Or it's 49 or 50, I can't remember.
Look at that. Even the interior, nice.
I just saying, guys, I hope they don't come over this way and take a look at it.
This truck's seen a lot of work in its day.
Oh, yeah.
Trucks like this was used to deliver milk, feed, groceries. Yes, groceries were delivered sometimes. Haul the chickens to market. Rabbits sometimes, mink.
There's a couple of them out there like quick drive.
Oh yeah.
Something like that. T-bucket with T-bucket. No, forget it.
That is it for this vehicle on Willis Talk. Put anything that you like on the comment section down below. Remember, like and subscribe. Tell me your stories.